Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. This video would be a quick market update analysis video based on yesterday's market analysis. So yesterday market was right here when I predicted a perfect move up, and then I told you guys that it will move down. So if you are following my previous market analysis videos, when it was right here, I clearly told you guys in my previous videos, you can check it back also, that I predicted a perfect move down, and BTC almost following my analysis. Till now it has been dropped by almost 8%. So yesterday also, when it was around 21,600, it was around 21,600, I first told you that it will move up and towards 22,000, but 21,900 got hit, and then I told you guys that it will drop from here. Why it will drop? Because it will first trap the retailers who were trading this bullish structure, and then after taking their money, the composite man will obviously move the market against them. So they were trapped, and they were obviously, till now they are liquidated and they are kicked out from market. So this video will be also a specific, we will discuss a specific move in this video. But before we get into that video, this is my VIP Discord, where we again perfectly predicted a secret move with our VIPs. Obviously, can't scroll this down because we are about to trade a specific move by BTC in next 2 to 3 hours. So yesterday we didn't trade any specific move because we were trading for we were actually waiting for this move, which we will trade after 2 to 3 hours with our VIPs on Discord. We were waiting for this move from 2 to 3 days, and now we're gonna trade this. Obviously, I can't tell you here. If you also want to trade live with me, you can join me on Discord. DM me on Telegram or Twitter. I will let you know guys what's the criteria to join me on Discord. So currently there are three type of traders now in market. Let's start with the video. Currently, those traders who are trading this bullish structure, this just got breakdown, and now they went short from here, and now they are quite happy with their profits. Okay, so market just came down and trying to hold right here. Why? Because if we get into 30-minute time frame, we will see that this is actually a support where price just bounced in past and now is trying to take support right here. So this is actually an area of support where price is now trying to take support. Okay, now those people who are short from here, now they might set their first target towards this zone. Okay, so this was the first type of traders. The second type of traders are those traders, those dumb smart money traders, or those retail traders who are considering this area to be support, and they are finding possible opportunities to go long from here. Okay, now there are three type of traders. Number one traders, those who are short from here, and the second type of traders, those who are long from here, and the dumb smart money who is also who would be also considering this area to be a support, and they are trying to long it. Okay, so what's gonna be happen? What I'm expecting, we're gonna see a small move up. Why we gonna see small move up? Because we gonna first trap those traders who are long from this support area, because they wouldn't control their emotions. They will get into FOMO, and they would long the market from here, and then price will the composite man will trap them and then move the price towards lower zones. Once it gets towards lower zones, we might see a possible bounce from here, because those traders who are short now and they are enjoying their profits, they would be trapped from either from this zone or either from this zone. So this is personally what I'm expecting. Let's get back onto 4 hour time frame. So we are back on 4 hour time frame. I just told you that there are three type of traders. Number one, who are short from here, and those retail traders who are considering this area to be support and they are long from here, and those dumb smart money traders who are also considering this to be an area, it might be accumulation whatsoever they are, so they are also long from here. But what I'm expecting, liquidity lies at this unmedicated order block and at this unmedicated order block, which I have been predicting this move from past 2 to 3 days. If you are following me on YouTube, you would know that also. So what is gonna be happen in market right now? We might see a possible move up. It might be small move up just to trap those region traders who are trying to consider this as a support area, and they are going long in market right now. So we might see a possible move up and then move down to fill this area of inefficiency right here, and then we might see a possible bounce from here, or we might see medication of this order block right here, because we just want to trap those traders who are long from this, who are considering this area to be a support, and they are going long in market right now. So this was today's market update video. Hope so you guys understand what's the next move, and you can also predict the move also. So make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram. If you want free trading signals and you want to discuss your analysis with me, you might I will DM you on Telegram if you join me. So thank you very much.